Hello everybody, this is Charlie's Trains. We have a steam locomotive, A310 with an Erie coal tender, and it's pulling the AW root beer boxcar, crush, another root beer, Sunny Delight tanker, and we have also Van Camp's beans. You need something to go with the beer, and I hope everybody enjoys this video. They're getting ready for July with this train set here. If you go to YouTube and subscribe to me, I appreciate it. It's Charlie's with apostrophe S Trains, and it's 9169. I appreciate it, and I hope everybody has a great day. I want to thank you for watching this video.